Hey guys, it's Lucas and welcome back to Microfiber Monday. Today we're going to be introducing you to a special product offering from our brands, our Edgeless Ultrasonic-cut towels. Usually microfiber towels are rolled, stitched, or serged at the ends, but some people seek out ultrasonic-cut edgeless towels. If you like ultrasonic-cut towels, then this video is for you. When it comes to finding the perfect microfiber towel, detailers and cleaning enthusiasts look for specific features. And ultrasonic cut towels have features that eliminate many risks. Let's take a look at some of these risks. The first one is consistency and control over the size of the towel. Traditional cutting is done by hand with power tools, and the result is as precise as the hand of the operator driving the cutting equipment. In contrast, the ultrasonic cutting machines, once calibrated, creates very consistent and reproducible results, giving you the utmost control over the size of the towel. The next one is no differential shrinking. Microfiber towels can be washed hundreds of times. The towel will maintain its cleaning efficacy, but differential shrinkage between the binding and the yarn in the towel will create wrinkles on the edges, and sometimes corners that lift and can't stay flat. This is totally eliminated with ultrasonic finishing. The next point is a game changer from a detailing point of view. No risk of scratching. Traditional serging results in an extension of the edge with a pigtail that requires cutting with a hot wire. Once the fibers of the polyester and polyamide are heated and cooled down, they become hard. The corner of the towel is then left with a potentially scratchy edge, which if not handled properly or used on a soft surface, could scratch. Ultrasonic towels completely eliminate this risk. And finally, even though it goes unnoticed, these guys don't have labels. Professional detailers and cleaning enthusiasts do not like having a label sewn on a towel. These often get in the way of precision work and end up being removed before even using the towel. As there is no serging on ultrasonic cut towels, there is no label attached and no need to remove it. Detailers and cleaning enthusiasts love edgeless towels. Let's look at the collection of edgeless ultrasonic cut towels that we have here at Euro. Here we have our microwipes. They come in 4 different colors, meaning you can color code them, and great for all-purpose use. Next we have our Terra towel rolls. They're a great replacement for paper towels because they're absorbent and can be reused hundreds of times. We have our glass weave cleaning towels, meaning they're great for glassware and windows. We have our suede microfiber towels, meaning you can clean your screens well and even camera lenses. Then we have our silver embedded antimicrobial towels, perfect for efficient cleaning. As you can see, we have so many towels that we don't even have enough space to fit them on the table. And they come in different sizes and GSMs. Like this one is 350 GSM and these guys are 500 GSM. Again, all these ultrasonic cut towels are great for efficient cleaning when cleaning your home and detailing, and they're good for getting that dirt and grime out. So now it's your turn to pick the perfect microfiber towel for your application to achieve a scratch-free, swirl-free finish every single time. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in getting our edgeless ultrasonic cut towels, check the description below. Be sure to leave a like on the video, comment what you want to see next, and also follow us on our social media. My name's Lucas, and I'll see you on the next Microfiber Monday.